OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas, and trust me, this is a game changer you need to see. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetam and you're watching Technoholic. In this video, we are diving into ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas and we're going to explore all its new features that just dropped. So what Canvas is all about? Well, Canva is a new interface designed to level up how you work with ChatGPT on writing and coding projects. And before we dive in, let me tell you this is currently available for Plus and Team users. If you are using enterprise or education versions, then not to worry guys, it is coming to you next week. And yes, pre-user may also get it once it is out of beta. So without further ado, let's see how we can quickly get started. Okay, so here you can see I already have selected this GPT 4.0 with Canvas. Although I would say now O1 preview is more advanced in terms of reasoning, but you will see how smooth our existing GPT 4.0 is in terms of fast generation of data as well as a very efficient workflow with Canvas. So now here you can see we already have selected this ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. Now let me give it a very basic topic. Write an article on digital marketing in 2024. And here you can see now this entirely new kind of interface appears. On the left hand side here you will see all the different edits that we're going to ask ChatGPT to do to further polish this content. Okay, so for example here you do not like this heading, so you can actually select this content. I want a more impactful heading here, and I'm gonna ask it to modify, and there we go. And not only we can ask ChatGPT to modify it, but let's say you also have something in your mind that you can always edit like this. Okay, and not only we can edit, but if you select it here, you will see you have got all different kind of formatting tool. You can also define it as heading, can also do bold. You can also apply this italic formatting as well. Now the same thing you can also apply wherever you think, oh, it does not meet my expectation. For example, here I would like to write this rise of influencer community in a simpler way, or I would like to see, let's say, it in a bullet points. So I'm gonna say write this section in a form of bullet points, and let's hit go. Now here you will see this whole change that is happening here. Okay, and there we go. So here we can see all the bullet points are there. Let's say you do not like it, then you can actually go to previous version, and then you can also click on restore this version. Okay, so in this way guys, you can also go back or revert your changes. Now apart from that, if you go down here, you will see all these different options. So let's start with the first one, which is suggest edit, and this is very useful in case, let's say, you itself have written any article. Now you want somebody to check it, and then somebody suggests you how you can even further tweak your article. So here you can see it is actually asking us adding statistics on video consumption trend could strengthen the argument. So if you like this suggestion, then you can apply it. So this way basically you are getting suggestion, and then you can implement those suggestions on your own created content. Now apart from that, here you can also see this option, because a lot of time we used to say ChatGPT that we want a longer result or shorter result. So now we do not need to ask if you are using ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. Here simply you can basically select the size of document or the size of output you want. Let's go with the shortest. Now you will see the size of this whole article will get shrinked, and here we can see how now this article got shrinked. Now apart from that, here we have got this reading competency level. let's say you want to create this for kids, then you can go down and can select kindergarten. Now the whole article will be written in a very simpler way such that even the younger kids can also understand. Then we also have option to add final polish, which will further fine tune and check for grammar and consistency in your whole article. That I would recommend you one can do after making manual override or manual change. Then we also have got options to add emoji. So what here we can do is we can select the text where we want to add emoji, and in this way guys we can add emojis also inside our document, thereby making all this document edit a very easy task to do. Now apart from document edit, we also have got option for a code creation or code generation. So let me actually write a Flutter code that ask user to provide two numbers, and then the app will add both numbers and will provide result. And let's hit enter and let's see what kind of code it come up with. And there we go. So here we are seeing a very simple calculator which if somebody is coder can understand, and then if they want to make some changes. So here for example the title of this app is addition app. So here I can ask come up with a better appealing title, and let's see what it come up with. And now here you can see the title is now updated. Apart from that, you will see code based options are now available. We can add comment, log, you can also fix bugs, port to a language, and here you can see you have got different option. For example, you want to convert this Flutter code to JavaScript, or let's go with Python. You can also do that. So I would say these tools are really helpful. And then here we also have got this option which is going to help you in reviewing this code, which is really awesome guys. And if you would like to read more about ChatGPT 4o with Canvas, then I'm going to also provide this link in the description of this video. Here one can read and go through all the capability of ChatGPT 4o with Canvas. And that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.